Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can import an Envato template kit to your site on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the plugin marketplace, and the plugin you're going to need for this is the Envato Elements plugin. Make sure to install it. However, that will be a few steps later, but first I need to make a disclaimer. Now, I'm currently on the free version of WordPress, as you can see in the top left. To install plugins, you do need to have at least the business plan or higher, and I don't have the money to justify that purchase, so I can't really install plugins. But as a replacement, what I will be doing is I will be referring to this article on Envato to help you guys with this. And first, you do need to have Envato Elements installed, so to install it, you need to follow these steps, but you might also need Elementor Pro, which is the premium version for some certain templates. And first, you just need to download your kit from the ThemeForce dashboard on Envato. Don't unzip it, you just need the full zip file. Then you need to make sure that post name is selected under permalinks and then click Save. Then go to Appearance, Themes, and Add New. Ensure Hello Elementor is installed and activated. If it's not, then go and install it, and Hello Elementor should be here. And it is not installed. I'm pretty sure it's just a theme on WordPress, so yeah, just make sure that is installed. If it's not, just install it and activate it, and then the Elementor sign up page will appear, and you can just exit out of it by clicking the X. Then you need to go into Elementor in settings and make sure that the Flexbox container is green, so just check it off, and if it's green, it should be good to go. If it's not, set it to active, and that should be it. Then just go to plugins and add new, and search for Envato and just install the Envato Elements plugin and activate it. And if the kit requires Elementor Pro, you'll need to install and connect that as well. And then once you're done with that, just go into Elements and click on Settings. Make sure all the server limits are green. If they're not, any problems are up to the web host to fix. Then once you're done with that, you can finally import your kit. Just go into Elements and into Installed Kits, and then upload the template kit zip file. And once that's done, your template should arrive. Now, some full site kits are special formats which show this message, and that is pretty much something that is specific, and they do not use the Envato Elements plugin. These kits have a full site kit in the title and file name, and to install them, go into Elementor Tools in the import and follow the prompts to install the original zip file. And then once you're done, enter your template. Make sure that there is no orange tab. If there is, just install all the requirements, and then you're just going to need to click import on the global kit styles, and then click import template once you set the colors, fonts, and site settings, and that should be it. Once you're done with that, you're set, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.